Morning, boob tubers. Well, it's my morning. I bet most of y'all still in bed. Here it is about 5:15. Been at it for about an hour and a half already. Digging. I busted out the laser level and put it on here last night, and I got a very low spot right there by a foot. So I got to bring all this dirt from over here, drag it out there. I want this pad as level as possible so I have less erosion problems. Try not to make that light blind y'all. Yep, got the car running, the headlights on it. Got my headlight on. There's my brick all cleaned up, chiseled all the mortar off it